220 voltage barrel mixer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 54 inches, a depth of 43¼ inches, to open the main cover for the mixer, there will be 2 bolts that can be loosened, and by removing the cover, you can pour in your ingredients and then locking in the bolts to seal tight before mixing. Coming to the side will be the control box, along with the lever that can be turned left to right. That will control the main barrel that can flip up and down, upwards or downwards, mixing your products. Coming to the side will be the transformer box, along with the electrical information for this mixer. This mixer requires a 220 voltage power for operation. This barrel mixer is sitting on a rail beam that's sold by Cooler Depot, so please check out that product page for more information. For all questions, give us a call, or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.